New at 11, Eyewitness News has learned that Charlie Sheen will be in court tomorrow to petition a judge for full custody of the twin boys he shares with ex-wife Brooke Mueller. Eyewitness News reporter Robert Olguin is live in downtown L.A. with more on Sheen's chances of winning. Robert?
That's right. Sources tell Eyewitness News that Sheen feels so strongly about this that he wants to be here in person to argue his case before the judge, to say that he wants to have full custody of his two sons. And of course, Sheen's camp is saying that the premise for all of this is that his soon-to-be ex-wife is an unfit parent. But what if the judge decides that they're both unfit for the job? For one of Hollywood's top actors, it was a scene of real-life drama. Charlie Sheen surrendering his 2-year-old twin boys to police outside of his home last month, as seen in this video from Radar Online. When Charlie Sheen lost custody of Bob and Max, he vowed to get them back. And sources tell Eyewitness News that's exactly what he plans to do tomorrow morning at L.A. County Superior Court. Sheen's lawyer, Mark Gross, is expected to argue that Sheen's soon-to-be ex-wife, Brooke Mueller, is an unfit mother.
The judge wants these children to have as normal of a life as is possible given the parents of the children.
Attorney Steve Mindel is a family law specialist here in Los Angeles. He says it's not unusual for someone in Sheen's position to fight for custody, especially considering the recent published reports alleging that Mueller has re-entered rehab.
That Charlie Sheen can afford to pay for a caretaker to move the children back and forth between both parents. It's a perfect situation for the judge. The children can be with the mom in a setting where the children are supervised, and they can be with the father in a setting that's supervised.
There are still 2 weeks remaining on Sheen's national comedy tour, and if granted full custody, it's likely he'll want to take the twin boys on the road.
He's trying to get the upper hand so he can wedge these children away from mom and take them on the road with him.
It's unknown if Mueller will appear in court tomorrow morning. She was granted full custody of the boys after Sheen's now infamous media meltdown last month, where he granted numerous interviews and launched into now famous tirades.
But let's face it, Charlie isn't an angel either. His behavior has been so erratic and so irrational over the last few weeks, and that can't be helping his situation in a child custody case.
Sheen's divorce from Mueller is expected to become official next month. Now, remember, Mueller accused Sheen of domestic violence during a vacation that they took to Colorado. Now, while Sheen's custody hearing will be taking place here, with Sheen expected to be here making his case personally, his lawyers will also be in Santa Monica tomorrow morning. That's where another case is unfolding. That's his case against Warner Brothers. That's where his lawyers will be arguing that his $100 million lawsuit against Warner Brothers over his termination over the 2.5 Men television series at CBS, he's arguing rather that be made public, and that will be unfolding in Santa Monica while he will be here downtown. Reporting live in downtown LA, Robert Olguin, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.